The move to iOS Android app allows you to move data from your Android device to your iPhone. This can only be done when setting up a new iPhone. Press and hold the sleep or wake button to turn the phone on. Proceed through the setup process until you reach the apps and data screen. Tap Move data from Android. Tap Continue. On your Android phone, open Move to iOS. You may need to download this from the Google Play Store. Tap Continue. Tap Agree. Tap Next. On your Android phone, enter the code displayed on the iPhone's screen. Select the data you would like to transfer across, then tap Next. The data will transfer across. Once the transfer is complete, on your iPhone, tap Continue setting up iPhone. Proceed through the setup process. When the setup is complete, you will be given the option to download any apps that you had on your Android phone that are available from the App Store. To download these apps, tap Add Apps.